Good morning, YouTubers. Dwayne the Desert Rat at you. I'm up here at the Waterman trailhead. I'm going to head up the Waterman Peak up here in Ironwood National Forest. And we're going to head up that way. Join me. Let's see how far we get up. I don't know if you can make them out. Lots of nice little caves up here. Yeah, trailhead starts that way and just winds up the canyon, goes to the ridge line up there. And then from there we'll have to find our own way, because that's as far as the trail goes. And by chance I might be able to get some shots of some bighorn sheep. There's quite a few of them up here. Just make it out. Right underneath that little secret bush there is a, there you go, big old jackrabbit. Hopefully the GoPro's picking up pretty good. I got it set on low light level setting. This trail is very rocky. Steep too. I like the rock texture though. Take a look at this. This is cool. I like the pattern in the rock. It's really cool looking. A little better view of it now. So you've been doing some work here for rain washout. If you can see it right there, looking down right there. Did some work here because the trail is being washed out a little bit. There we go. That was the road we came in on. Start sweating up a storm. Vehicle from the main road. Get on it. Someday I'm gonna climb that mountain. Someday. Yeah. She don't look it. She's steep. Hey, I'll bring it back later on. Yeah. Almost that first ridge line. I've been filming much. I don't think you guys want to hear me huff and puff because it's pretty steep. Doesn't show it, but it's steep. Almost to the first ridge line here. Don't know if we're gonna see anything when we come over. But I'm gonna have you camera ready at the moment notice. You never know. Oh yeah, this is really steep here. Gotta watch my footing. I don't slip. I'm gonna make sure the low light settings on the GoPro. It's cloudy, overcast, makes it a little dark. Being here last time too. Fencing. I don't know why it's up here for. You can somewhat see my path where I gotta go. It goes up to the top of there and goes over. These rocks are really neat looking up here. Let me show you the texture. Trust me, they're actually like very sharp peaks all over it, like little points sticking out all over them. And they're very sharp. Yeah, you wouldn't want to fall down on them. They cut you up pretty good. I know from up there I'll be able to see my truck again, but it's a little bit too far on that side of the hill. So you can see the road I came up. You can see the trail somewhat down there where I came up. Hoping I could see some bighorn. Made my way up there. A little steep. Last filming spot was way down there. More view. Yeah, you see the trail. Almost to the top of this next ridge. Yeah. That's cool. A hole in that rock. Hoping to see some bighorn up here. I don't know if we can pick it up. The hole in the rock right there. Alright, not much to talk about up here. Just beautiful scenery and the view I'm getting. Alright, continue up the trail there. Yeah, that's the road that goes up to the Silver Hill mine. You see it going up that way. And then that's the guzzler. You can just barely catch the top of the rain catch roof. This is the way I'm going to be going. I'm not sure which way it goes, but I'm going to see about make my way up that way. But come over here to a nice little view. There's those roads I hiked before. I've hiked those roads. That's a road. That's actually the road that comes in. See the split? That road goes up here where it splits there and curves in this way. That goes to the trailhead that takes you up. And then gets you to hike the road. I actually made my way down the side of this hill last time I was up here. Because I didn't know what that was at first, and I hiked up to the ridge and then figured out what it was, and then I went around and hiked to it. Little break. If everyone doesn't know what this sign is, it just means that on the boundary of public land located. This is Ironwood National Forest, and it's supposed to be public lands, but most of the time it's usually, I actually believe it's state trust access land, so considered public lands. I'm gonna start heading up this way. Go that way. Came from that way. Yeah. Just made my way up here. I was down there earlier. Came up around the back side, climbed up here. Get a nice little view. I can see my pickup truck down there now. Told you, Bill, see it up here. I don't know if you can make it out, but you can see the trail winds up, goes up. So I keep on hiking up, make my way up. There we go. Now you get a good view of that guzzler down there that I visited, and the trail you hike up to the Silver Hill mine. And then you can see the trail on the other side of the crest. I've hiked out that red trail there, and then into that canyon over there. Gotta do that again. This time film it. Take you guys along with us. Take y'all along with me. Yeah. Hiked all those roads over there too. And you can just barely make out the trailhead down there. But right there around between that is where the trailhead is. And that's the original trail that climbs up. It's always easier to go around the backside and come up from the other side if you want to do the loop. It's about 3.5 miles. And then this side's a lot steeper because it's all uphill. The other side's a more gradual climb. Yeah, you can see those roads all the way over the hills. That little hill over there, yeah, I've hiked all those roads. Been around the backside. Get a good view of the old Kalamazoo pit and the road you drive in on. Okay, now you can see it right there in the center of the screen. Yeah, that's the hill I'm gonna camp out on top of. That was the road I came in on. Yeah. It's like somebody stuck a cairn here. I think the trail originally came up around the other side there. Did. That's why they stuck a cairn here. So that people know that that's where it goes. I always catch my breath a little bit. Yeah, let me stand up here. There we go. Yeah, you can see where it, right up there. You can see it right there. All the way down there. That was the last place, that little rock creature I was standing on filming last time. And then you can see where the trail came up. But yeah, getting a nice view up here. Get a nice view up here. I'm sure there's a way to go up there. Give me a good view over there, but get down off of this rock. Not very stable. But as you can see, the trail goes that way. So I don't know if it goes up that way or crosses that way. So I don't know. We'll find out. Came up from there. There's the trail going down. Standing over there on those rocks over there. Made it up to here. A bit of a view above that rock outcropping now. From there where that went down below from above, the trail went down below that view. And I don't believe that's the top. It's a little further up, but that's my next goal. This hill is really not that bad of a climb. It's actually pretty nice. Look at the guzzler from way up here. View. Not sure. No, it ain't. There's the summit. Way up there. I don't know if I'll make it up there. I don't know. Let's see. That way you can see what I'm looking at. Who wants to look at me? Somebody stacking rocks. Yeah, that's a memorial to a ranger. Died in the Gulf War, I think. I'll have to go read the plaque. It's over there. Let's go look at the gravel pit. Yeah, I can't quite. The hill is blocking the trailhead right there. It's right on the other side of the hill. I stumble around a lot. Not sure. Not sure. There's a trail that goes over there. May not be. This might be the end of the trail because of the memorial that was put up here. It's not the actual summit. Summit is up there. rocks. Gotta remember this is my way back down. Gotta remember my way back down. Because it's pretty steep over there. Yeah. That's a biggie. Yeah, there's a... I don't know where it came from, but it came that way, so there is a trail. Part of a trail going this way. Alright, that's good. Good to know that. Well, a little closer to the summit. Found probably a random audit. This doesn't look like a washout because it's all piled up right here. A neat little stacked pile and stuff. So probably a random audit. Let me come up here prospecting. Changed our mind and moved on. But yeah, there's that memorial over there. I hiked up. There is a trail that came up, brought me up. It goes the other side. It's right on the other side right here, this bush, and it continues on. So I just came over here to check this out. Didn't see anything over in that area, but at least got a view. Yeah. Got one right here. The one I was on was over here. Yeah. Let me see where it goes up. And where it came from. Down over to there. It went somewhere, it kind of petered out right there. Yeah, this is kind of finding my own way pretty much. Just want to get the other side over here and look. I have a feeling that there's no summit climb. what that is. There's a bunch of rocks going down. Could have spooked something. Not sure. Yeah, I can get out to the edge right there. Give me a good view. Hang on. Let's see. God, I got terrible coordinate balance. I stumble around all over the place. Alright, I'm gonna shut this camera off. I can't film this. Okay. I had to come down this right here. That's why I had to put the camera down. I needed my hands free. So I can get out to this lookout. Yeah. Nice view up here. I don't know what that was. A bunch of rocks came up over the hill and a bunch of rocks going tumbling down the hill. So I don't know if it might have been a bighorn up there or not. They'd have no problem scaling those rocks up there. There's a road I took that takes to the Silver Hill mine. A road I hiked up and filmed. Yeah, I ain't feeling that this is going to be the end of my climb. I don't think I'm going to get up any further. It's just very steep. Might have been easier to walk around. I probably could. Yeah, I see an easier route back over there. Yeah. That thing in the center of the screen, that's an old Titan missile silo. Buried, can't get into it no more, but they still got the plaques and everything up telling you all about it. The pictures of what it looked like inside. Ooh, radio tower. I believe there's a road that goes up at the back side of there. Those mountaintops. I believe those are the Silver Bell mines, the Silver Bell Mountains. But don't think I'm gonna find a way up there. I'll look when I get back up over there, but I think this is about as high as I'm gonna get. I found somewhat of a trail coming up this way. Continues on, but yeah, it's just not gonna be easy. It's pretty steep. You can see where they went around. You go up there, and if I put my camera and stuff away, I'd probably do it, because I'm going to need both hands free. Stick my camera away and stuff like that, I could probably do it. But coming back down, it's pretty steep. So I think I'm going to pass on it. I'm going to go down to that area right there and have me some lunch. I think that's what I'll do, is about as far as I'm gonna go. I mean, I could go up there, I went a lot lighter or something, because I got extra gear with me. As you can see, I'm like right at the drop off right there. And it looks like they went up around there, right there, and then just keep going up. They just make their way up, but I don't know about this. Let me look, see what we got. Ooh. There. Turn you around so you can look at it. Yep, see it? I think they scramble their way up there across the rock face, but yeah, I think I'm gonna pass. At least I got a good view. I got most of the way up there. Yeah, I'm gonna need my hands to get down, so I'm not gonna film coming back down. Took a short little break right there. I left a couple mementos there. If you come up here, you'll find them. There's a random audit right there. Somebody dug an audit up here in the hill. Yeah, I think I'm gonna forgo on getting to the top. So my idea of carrying that jar all the way up here for a summit registry was kind of a waste, because there's no sense putting it up here unless I actually make it to the summit. But there might be one up there. There's a trail going up there, but I don't know. I would have to crawl up it because it's pretty steep. So I'm not going to leave it here. I'm going to leave it the registry and make it a hilltop camp out registry on that top of that hill. I'll put it on that hill there. I'll make it for that. But we're gonna start making our way back down. As you see, I put my camera away in the bag. Okay, let's try this again. Right middle of filming, the battery just died out on me. Heard somebody tearing through there in a ATV down there. Alright, I'm gonna start heading back down. On my way back down. I don't know what this is for. I have no idea. Maybe I can be able to read it on the screen. I can't read it out here. It's just too small. It's nothing more than me climbing back down the hill. Yeah. Mine's not running today. Head back over to the memorial plaque. Yeah. And we'll start down from here. Find my path that I took. Just gotta make my way that way. Not sure where it is. Make my way down this way. I'll find it eventually. Trails up here is not very distinguishable because it just kind of goes off all over the place until I get down to that. Oh, there we go. There it is. I figured it was in this area. Don't know how much filming I'll do going down because some of the area I'm going to have to use my trekking poles because it's pretty steep and I needed to stabilize me and keep my balance and slip. Hold you up there as far as I can. Yeah. Now's when I'll probably have a bighorn show up and my camera's packed away. Yeah, that's usually when it happens. When you got the camera packed away. Oh well. I think I want to do is save my money up. Get me a 400 millimeter telephoto lens. Instead of this 300, I'll make that my basic lens. A little bit more. I'm having issues with the teleconverter not wanting to. I have to pretty much run it in manual mode completely, including the focus. Try to focus with the damn thing. It just goes in and out, in and out, in and out. People said that was the issue they have with them. So if you manually zoom, then it's all right. All right, this is a little steep here. I know it don't look on camera, but it's pretty steep. And it's also getting pretty warm too. Warming up. Don't want to slip on these rocks. Yeah. I got a ways to go. I think it'll take me half the time to get down than it did to get up. Most of the time going down, it's easy on your cardio, but it's hard on your knees. It's harder on your knees. Yeah, it's really getting steep. I'm gonna have to put the camera away. Use my poles. I'll film when I get down there at the bottom. areas on the other side of those mountains I want to do. So I don't know if I was doing a recording. I'm gonna beat feet back down the trail. Wind's really starting to pick up. Probably hear it in the mic. It's whistling. Might be me signing off. Yeah, I can sign off of the truck. Other than that, I love the hike. It was fun. Even though I didn't make it quite all the way to the summit, got within 100 feet of it, but maybe some other time. Dwayne the Desert Rat signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got plenty more to come.